Yeah, they should have never installed it that way.
Well, what are you going to do with the house like that?
Well, they could have installed it 20 different ways. Oh, yeah. Well, yeah, you're gonna have. Yeah, I don't know why. Fucking. Some of them just want to refuse. Just carry on, carry on. Yeah, it's slow. It's slow. It's slow on refrigerant again. So yeah, you gotta. I mean that sealant didn't work. So next step is replacement. Yeah, that coil in there is probably where the leak's at inside.